Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, I wanted to know something, that are you trapped in some legal issues and are you seeking the way to exit from the trap, or you wanted to have an optimum solution for your problem? Then I will welcome you all in the world of heronlaw.com. If you want justice, then the site will help you out. Guys, this site deals with the legal issues like personal injury, family law, wills and estate planning, business, civil litigation, garnishment, criminal and traffic, probate, real estate. The firm has recently achieved the highest rating for the legal ability and ethical standard by American Registry. As per my records, guys, the professional experienced attorneys will take care of your case and will provide you the service. The firm gives you the innovative solution for your problem. As we move further, we're going to see about the firm. What is about the firm? How is the firm working? The Heron Law Firm is a general practice law firm located in Arizona and practicing legal services to clients. They have 75 years of legal experience and render services in several different practices areas. It is there in the digital world since 1987. The site is working for your assistance, the site is taking your case so that you guys can have a justice. As you can see, next is the profile. In this profile, you're going to have the information about Robert F. Heron. He's working in family law, estate planning, divorce, business, division of retirement benefits, then child custody, child support issues, and there are so many other lawyers who are working on different issues for different issues. Next, guys, we're going to see the testimonials. In the testimonials, guys, you're going to see the person and their journey with the website. For example, one of the users say it is very difficult to find a reputable divorce attorney who knows the law and it's ethical, and this websites help them a lot. You can read it out, then you can use the site. Afterwards, guys, we'll straight away go to the links. In the link section, you're going to find out certain links. Click on the link and you will get the information about the website. Next, we're going to see the homepage again. The homepage says that it has achieved the distinction as an AV-rated law firm by the Bar Register of Prominent Lawyers. This website is working in variety of legal services, and they understand that there are frauds going on with everyone. And to unlock all the frauds, the website is there at your service. So guys, if you are stuck in any problem, this website is for you. You can easily make a payment from the payment section easily, and you can avail the services. So guys, please tell us how you like our video. Do like and share this video with everyone so that thousands of users can easily get to know about the legal website and how they can use it, how they can take the advantage of it, and they can get so many benefits by using the website. Do comment, as your comment will be like an eye-opener for all the people, and easily many innocent people will going to get justice by using the website. So guys, if you wanted to know such more information, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for listening, guys, and I hope you will going to avail the best services from the website. Thank you for listening.